spent a lifetime on the wood and the grain, where the file and the saw left their marks and their strain. My callous thumbs knew the path of the flow, calculating the gold in the candle's low glow. But the bench has been quiet since the monitor's light started painting the vectors in the dead of the night. Electronic transition.
Now the nodes are connecting in a digital space, bringing balance and logic to the stone's embrace. Point to point, we're bridging the way, from the dust of the old to the new of day. From the bridge in the way, from the dust of the old to the new light of day. Sliding through the data, watching it align. Every curve is perfect, every edge is fine. Oh, we're parametric, living in the flow. AlgoJewels pulse, watching the metal grow. Grasshopper spinning, weaving all the lines. Associative magic, the future that shines. It's in the tiny way, desiring a digital game.
Zenith's in the network, tracking every game, counting up the gold, washing off the stain. Change the carat weight, watch the structure sway. Prongs migrate outward in a digital game. Technical breakdown. Zenith's in the network, tracking every suit, constructing the impossible layer upon a delicate dance, a digital prayer. It's the bridge being the light, turning raw intent into a shining sight. The old hammer fades, but the rhythm remains, flowing through the logic of these copper veins. Flowing through the logic of these copper veins. AlgoJewels pulse, watching metal grow. Grasshopper spinning, weaving all the lines. Associated magic, the future that shines. Yeah, it's instant, it's precise, it's never the same. Designing the wonder in a digital game. Just watch it grow. Life in the geometry, life in the node, bringing it to life. Yeah, the code is the craft now.